I'm a Panda. I'm back and what are you? And let's do a flight pilot. We played Flight Pilot Simulator. Why a very small airport? 34 class. And let's do it. Let's go. Why was this? It was rip off. What is this? Yeah. Yeah. I'm sideways, but one another airport is a helicopter something on another place. I'm gonna crash. Oh, I can't win this game. I got over the Easter eggs here. There's something is 3D going on. Blue checkpoints. Blue checkpoints. I follow. Come on. Come on. Not fair. It's so slow. Come on, else there you better you die. I bet yes. Yeah! You better go faster. Follow a chick. Yeah! Good job, pilot. Is there a plane? Rescue? No, that's not. Rescue that guy here. And okay, I get plugged. I'm back here again. I get my hands. I lost it. Oh, let's do it. Let's do it again. Let's play again. Last time, no hands over there. Rescue. Now you're faster because we need fast. I gotta do it. Okay, I'm back to here again. I gotta do it too because we need. Alright, let's go. I gotta skip that. Oh no. Yes, I don't want to crash. Yes, I know. Blue checkpoint. Come on, press the confirm area. I'm fast. Here's objective. Yes, I'm tuning to give you faster. That's better, baby. Checkpoint. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. Oh, come on. Yeah. What is that? Come on. I want to be win. Please. Yeah. Oh, come on. Yes. Seriously, I missed the area. Okay, this game. I gotta go back. I can't. There he is. Down. Come on. Yeah. That was so sad. That was so very uncomfortable. I don't want to get rescued. I get something else. Let's do it. Free flight. And that was it. That was part 1. Part 2 is free flight. I'll show you that in the section. There was part 1. And that was it. Like and subscribe. A see comments below. Goodbye.